Hi, I'm Misty SOLDwisch, and I've been successfully selling real estate since 1999. Find out my secrets on how you can do your best with Be Better DSM.
Well, hi again, everybody. Van and Bonnie here with our good friend Misty SOLDwisch of Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Innovations. How are you, Misty?
I'm doing great. How are you today?
Great.
It's always fun to talk to you because it doesn't matter when we talk. There's always something new or there's always something going on. You're busy, aren't you?
Yeah, real estate is exciting.
Yeah, I mean, you can't do all this yourself. You must have good help to do this.
A good team.
Yes. And, that's one of the things that makes our services so unique and so special is that it's not just me that is serving our clients. It is an entire team of professionals that are working with great systems in order to give our clients great results.
What do these people do for you, Misty?
So it's interesting because we have people broken down into specialized roles. I've got the operations side, so people that do marketing, transaction coordination. I also have sales roles. That is an area where I'm really looking for some new talent right now. We have client services associates, we have home buying specialists, and home selling specialists.
Wow, you really break it down, don't you?
We do. We break it down. I have people all the time talk about, I'd love to get into real estate. I don't know if it would work with my schedule. I don't know exactly how it works and how I get a license. And so we have some really unique benefits for people that are wanting to do real estate, but wanting to do it in a way that isn't so like you're just jumping off a cliff and hoping that you can start a new business.
You can get them started and then they can, blossom from there.
Absolutely. So one role that we are hiring for right now that's really unique to my business in Central Iowa is the client services role. So that's a licensed real estate agent, but their role is to be in the office and then also on call, but taking our incoming inquiries, our people that contact us that are Van and Bonnie listeners that are wanting to sell their home. Exactly. People that ask questions about homes we have on the market. So they're there to answer those questions and to figure out if the timing's right for them to have a meeting with a sales agent or to nurture them until they get to that point.
So how long does it take to get a real estate license?
So to get a real estate license, there's some different processes that you have to go through. In general, if someone has kind of set aside the time to go to classes and which are either in person or online, but then there's also some required classroom time as well. It usually takes about 30 to 60 days for most people.
Oh, that's not very long.
It's not very long at all. And we do have a great offer for people that go through our hiring process to help reimburse some of those costs. Like with this client services role, this is one that it's salary plus commission. So it's a great way to kind of get a feel for having lots of conversations and building relationships with people talking about real estate. A little more security than the 100% sales jobs.
So would this be an 8 to 5 job or?
Real estate is not
I don't
8
think
to
there is
5.
such a thing as that.
Well, you said they'd be in the office, so I didn't know.
Yeah, so it's in the office and on call. But and then we have people that they want to be out and about, getting people into houses, writing offers, negotiating deals. Home buying specialists are really special because they help people identify their dream home. And the thing that is so great about becoming a home buying specialist on my team is you're not having to build a business from scratch. Those client services agents are helping set appointments for you, getting you connected with people. We just see people get very successful at real estate quickly on my team.
What about personality and temperament? I mean, what kind of person would be good at this?
Well, you have to be friendly. You have to be determined because there's a lot of bumps that happen in real estate transactions, and you have to be
for the buyer, for the seller, and
for all
the
of us.
Right? Yeah,
for all of us. But we go through it every day as a real estate agent. Our clients go through this once every 7 to 10 years, maybe, and so it's stressful. It's their home, it's their money, and so being a great problem solver and being determined is really important. They're looking to us for that. And just really, truly loving, working with people, caring about what their outcome is, because we want our clients to feel that great service.
And I would think, especially at the beginning, being a very good listener.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny you say that, because one of the first things I make our new agents do is listen to, there's this great Audible book called How to Be a Great Listener. You know, it's just all about you're serving others best when you really hear what they want.
Well, you need to know what it is they're really looking for in a home. And if you're not listening to them, you may be taking them to homes that don't fit their needs.
Exactly. And, you know, that's one of the tricky things. A lot of people what they don't like about salespeople is they feel like they don't hear them, that they're so busy coming up with an answer while they're speaking that they really didn't listen to what they said. So you guys hit the nail on the head there. That's so important to have a great attitude with listening.
So, okay, let's say we got somebody listening. I think I might like to look into that. What steps do they take? How do they start this journey?
So I have a monthly meeting that I offer to people that are thinking about a career in real estate. We call it a meet and greet, that you come in, you meet different agents and operations people from my team and kind of hear their stories. We talk about what our team's purpose is, how to get a real estate license, and just learn all about it. So if you go to my website, SOLDinCentralIowa.com, there's a link, but then we also have a separate website, joinmistysteam.com. And it has a place where you can sign up for our monthly meetings. And it's just a great way to kind of get a synopsis of how it works and see if it might be a fit for you.
Well, we always tell our listeners, if you're going to buy a home, you're going to sell a home, go with the best. And I guess we would say, if you want to be in this business, you could start with you too.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Very good.
All right. If you want to get a hold of Misty to sell your home, 515-446-4445. That's 446-4445. Or
same phone number if you want to become a member of the team?
That sounds great.
Or SOLDinCentralIowa.com.